Hi guys, got a little friend has come to visit me. This thing, well, you can't see it, can you? It's a little spider. It's only a little one. So what I'm going to do is use the webcam for the audio and my USB microscope to have a close-up look at him. That doesn't have any audio on it, so I'm going to switch from the webcam video to the USB microphone, that USB microscope video, but I'm going to keep the webcam audio. It's not particularly good audio, but this seems to be a fairly simple way to do it. So we'll see. Right, got to sort out the focus. Oh, there we are. Right, obviously this is handheld, so it is a bit shaky. But that's better definition than we'd normally get if I was trying it with my Canon PowerShot. It just doesn't give that sort of close-up detail. Trying to keep it in focus. I'm trying to get a look at the eyes. Oh, sorry. Oh, he's gone. Where's he gone? I'm chasing it. It's not staying still. Right. There we are, focus again. I think we can see the eyes there just by the way they're shining. Oh, come on, don't run around so much. Where's he gone? Oh, that's a nice picture. That's probably enough. So I'll let it go. I don't know if it's recording the audio. That's annoying. Stay still. and let him go again. Just trying to get the best picture for the thumbnail before I let him go. That'll do. That's what I'm trying to do. Now filming this with my Canon PowerShot, just to show you what I'm actually attempting to do. USB microscope, spider in a jam jar. But I should go and let him go outside now. Him, her, whichever. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.